Let me know what you guys think. I got some stuff from Amazon. I got some stuff from Soul Society and some really good things that I hope will help you through this quarantine and all this craziness that's going on. First of all, I just want to say I hope your family and you guys are safe, and I hope you guys are doing good. I'm so grateful for you guys to be here, so I really appreciate it. If you would just like and subscribe, that would mean the world to me. So what do you guys think of this hairdo? I just threw it half up, half down, and this is my natural wave. What do you guys think? Do you like it? I think let's get started with the video. Sorry, I just had to fix things up a little bit because I am filming in a new area. I kind of just want to see how it worked with lighting and all that. So let me know what you guys think. But let's get started with the video. I'm going to start with the Amazon stuff. Lots of Amazon, of course. And everything that I am mentioning, I will link down below for you guys. So the first thing I want to start off with, is this cute little headband organizer. I don't know if you guys can see it. You can probably put 3 more, so about 5 headbands, and the top comes off, and you can put like your clips in here or your scrunchies, but you can also take this off and put it like in your bathroom. And then I was thinking of displaying this in my closet because I just think it'll look really cute. So I will link that down below. That is really what I was excited about in doing this video. Sorry, I keep playing with my hair. This essential oil roller balls. Well, it's not essential oil. Technically it's roller balls, but I'm gonna use them for essential oils. So I'm gonna say that sorry, my shirt's off. I'm gonna put, I don't know if you can see them. I'm going to put my essential oils in here to make roller balls, or for my kids, myself, my husband, to keep us healthy and just feeling good. So I think I'm gonna make like a sleepy time one and like a calming one, so I can put those on myself when I'm feeling overwhelmed, because I know in the situation we can feel that way. So just know that you're not alone, and let me know if you need anything. Comment down below, subscribe, and let's become friends. Okay, sorry, I got distracted. But yes, it comes with 14 of them, which is really cool. It comes with this funnel, which is so cute. Look at how tiny this is. Don't mind my nails, sorry, I had to take them off. Don't judge me. And then it comes with these stickers where you can label what you have in these. So I figured it would be perfect to give to someone that someone wants to try essential oils, because I do use them, and I'm gonna share with you my favorites. Thieves, this is really good to cleanse. I love this one. It's kind of smells like cloves, but I actually don't mind it. I use Young Living. I don't know if I said that, but I love the Thieves. Stress Away. I like to use this one and put in my diffuser before I go to bed. And then Peppermint. I love this one too. Sometimes I'll rub this on my tummy if I'm having like a cramps or anything like that. You can rub this on your kid's tummy, and obviously mix it with some oil, some kind of oil, so it's not so strong, but I do love those. And then next I'm going to show you drawer dividers, and it comes with 4. So I thought these were really cool. I saw this on Lydia Mellon's channel. I don't know if you follow her. Mellon, I don't know how you say it, but I love her. And she was organizing her kitchen, and I seen these. I was like, I need those. So I ordered them, and you can push them down if you want to make them smaller, whatever size you need. But I think that they look nice and they're good quality. The other ones I seen weren't that nice, so I'm gonna go with this. Flip over, put your hair in here, and then you twist this, and then just put it in like this, just like that. And this is really good to get all the wetness out of your hair without damaging it. This is made for long hair, and it's the Turby twist. So I really recommend these, and you can find them on Amazon. So I will link that down below too. Next off is shoes. Oh wait, I have one more Amazon thing. So in the theme of organizing, I bought these cute little folders to organize all my paperwork. This is gray and pink, and they have some white ones. They're so cute. I have acrylic filing folders, like stackable thing. And so I figured those will look really nice with this. So if you can't tell the theme of me getting organized since we have all this time on our hands, that's what I'm doing. Next off is I'm gonna get into Soul Society. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of them. They're a brand, but I love their shoes. Thumbnail, sorry. But I love this brand of shoes. So I got 3 pairs. They were having a sale, so I figured they're really comfortable. So I don't know if you guys, I'm sure you guys know because you've watched my videos, but I'm a hairstylist. So I'm always looking for cute, comfy shoes. And the soles in these are really soft. They're 8.5, true to size. And I just thought these were, they're really comfortable. I tried them on. So if you're in need of some shoes, I think they're having 40% off right now, which is really good. So I'll put the link to these down below too. I'm like obsessed with these. And then these are so cute. These look really comfortable, and I actually tried them on. They really are comfortable. I'm gonna show you right now. I just figured these would look cute with dresses, with capris, with shorts, to dress up any outfit. They're cute, but they're comfy. I have this brand of shoes that I bought like a couple years ago, and they are my #1 favorite shoes when it comes to being comfortable. And that's really hard to find. So the heel's not that high, and they're really comfortable, and these are 8.5 too. I love those. I actually have in black. Those are the ones I was just talking about, how they're comfortable. So I knew that I loved them that much. I wanted to get them in a different color. These are so comfortable. Like I could totally wear these to work and stand on my feet for like 6 hours, 7 hours and be okay. So I really think these are cute for summer, and I'm hoping I'll be able to wear them, but they're just really cute and comfy. And these will look really good with shorts, skirts, dresses, and they're so comfortable. Like the sole right here is soft. These are just my favorite. So yeah, those are the ones that I am loving right now. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, let me know about any of the products. And I also want to let you know, I was thinking of doing like an Amazon haul with hair, beauty products, tips, to kind of show you what I like to use. So if you're interested in that, comment down below and let me know. And let me know what else you want to see. And I'd really appreciate it if you subscribed and liked this video. I'm a new YouTuber, so any love would help. And comment down below what you guys want to see, because I want to make videos that you guys want to see. So let me know and I will make them. I hope you guys are doing well. Bye.